थोड़ा बहुत खाना बनाना आता है, मुझे भी आता और आती, वो तुम लोग करेक्ट कर देना. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And guess what I'm going to do today is about to improve my guitar skill. So I need to take it out this because it became a long, maybe a year ago I touched my guitar for playing, and I realized I have to improve on it, so I need to practice it. So here I am, but before starting with it, I need to cut my nails because with my long nails I can't cut it. So I'm going to cut it. So let's do it. See? And I need to cut down on my balcony because sitting on bed I can't cut my nails, and where I will throw it, that's a common sense, like I can't throw it on my bed. So let me give 5 minutes or some time so that I can cut my nails. So I will be coming back, so wait for some time. So guys, I'm done with my nails. It's so short, you can compare with my right hand. So I have to do some practice, like not today because I'm not prepared at all, because you guys will know my guitar condition and how I'm gonna improve on this. Like if you tell me, I know some of the chords, and it's been almost 1 year that I haven't touched my guitar and played anything on my guitar, so maybe I almost forgot everything, but I can learn quickly because I know the things, because even I have tried to teach others the basic guitars, so I know I can handle it well. So the problem is my guitar is untuned, so I need to tune it first because the sound is so creepy. So I have to improve it. And also I have to speak in Hindi, though I don't know how to speak in Hindi. Like if I start speaking it would be so awkward for me and also so hilarious situation for you all. But though, but also I will start it. Like मैंने कैसे start करूँ? Like I have a problem that I interchange the gender in Hindi. So इसीलिए मैं कम कम बात करती हूँ हिंदी में, और मेरा हिंदी अच्छा भी नहीं है, और तुम लोगों को समझ में आएगा क्या वो मुझे भी नहीं पता, क्योंकि मैं जो बोलना चाहती हूँ वो ठीक से सुनाई नहीं देता है, ठीक से मतलब अच्छा नहीं लगता है. तो and I have to work on that also, because without Hindi I can't visit other area because everyone doesn't know English, and I'm not a good communicator in Hindi or English. So I have to learn those two language, Hindi and English. So I will work on it through my videos and you guys also tell me the things I should learn or I should make for learning purpose. So tomorrow I'm gonna show you that some basic steps on guitar lesson, like very basic steps, like beginner should do all these practices, small tricks I will show you, and you will get free guitar classes on my YouTube channel if you subscribe my channel. So please do subscribe and keep in touch with me, and I will teach you guitar lesson also in fitness journey, like how you will continue your diet and also how to cook. I'm a थोड़ा बहुत खाना बनाना आता है, मुझे भी आता और आती, वो तुम लोग करेक्ट कर देना. तो आज के लिए इतना तक ही काफ़ी है. सो बाय गाइस, लव यू ऑल एंड प्लीज सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल एंड stay on with me on my journey.